Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to play Royal Match minigames on your mobile phone. This is a very simple thing to do guys, and to get started, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Royal Match application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Royal Match guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here that you can see, where you can go ahead and log into your account. So guys, what you want to do to get started, even though it isn't needed, my suggestion is to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one, and go ahead and log into it, because with a login account you will have more perks and more benefits than somebody without an account. So guys, after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where you can see this is the home screen, where you can see all the levels you have, and if you scroll left and right, you can see all the sections you can access. You can see your collections, you can see the other levels, achievements, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to play the mini games. Basically guys, the games are right here displayed as levels. So what you want to do is, you can see I'm currently level 1. You want to go ahead and click on the level 1 button, or whatever level you are, and there you will be able to select what level mini games you want to play. If you have passed multiple level guys, you can go ahead and scroll all the way to the left so that you will be able to see all the levels that you have, and after you scroll, it's going to go ahead and appear like this, where you can go ahead and select what area you want to play and what level you want to play within that area. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to get started playing mini games. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.